Welcome to my channel, Sandhya here, and in this video we will be learning how to multiply a 2-digit number to a 2-digit number in the range of 12 to 19. We will also learn how to do it mentally, so make sure you watch the video till the end and do not forget to opt in for the math challenge. Stay tuned. Alright, so if I have a sum here, say if it is 12 into 13, it's 12 into 13. So what I'll be doing here is I will be placing these numbers on the outside. That means I simply take this 2 and I write it here. I take this 3 and I write it here. My next step is to split my answer into left and right. Split my answer into left and right. My right side is a product of the numbers that are out here. That is 2 and 3. Product means multiplication. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. And how do I get my left? I simply add my diagonals. What are diagonals? Simply 12 plus 3 or 13 plus 2. You can add any of the diagonals, your answer will be the same. So 12 plus 3 is 15 or 13 plus 2 is 15. There you go. That's my answer. Isn't that super easy? Let's try another sum. Let's try 14 into 18. So I have 14 here and I have 18 here. 14 into 18. So I will be writing the numbers on the right. That means I take this 4 and I write 4 here. I take this 8 and I write 8 here. What do? I split my answer into left and right. Left and right. So 4 times 8 gives me 32. 14 plus 8 or 18 plus 4, either way, gives me 22. Now a word of caution here. So this is 32. It's a 2-digit number. I am allowed to keep only 1 digit. Why? Because if you look at these numbers very carefully, they are closer to my base 10. Or what is base 10? I would say base is nothing but your friendly number. So 14 is close to 10, 18 is close to 10. You will say 18 is close to 20, right? Correct. But for now, I am considering my base as 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So if this is 10 and it has only 1 0, that means I am allowed to keep only 1 digit on the right. So I keep my 2. I take this 3 and I carry it to 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 and I bring down the 2 as it is. So my final answer is 252. My final answer is 252. Now let's do one thing. Let's try some sums mentally. So if you have 13 into 15. 13 into 15. That means my numbers on the right would be 3 and 5. 3 into 5 is 15. I have 15 on my right. How do I get my left? I take 13 and I add it to 5. So 13 plus 5 gives me 18. I have 18 on my left. I have 15 on my right. And I simply carry the 1 to 8. And I get my answer as 195. So see, I had promised that I'm also going to be training you on how to do it mentally. Let's try one more sum. 18 times 19. 18 times 19 gives me 8 and 9 on the right side. 8 and 9 on the right side, the product is 72. So I have 72 on the right side. I take the 18. I add it to 9. That becomes 27. So I have 27 on my left. I have 72 on my right. I take the 7, carry to 27 and my final answer becomes 342. 342. Alright, so I'm sure you're getting the hang of it, and of course with practice, with visualizing numbers, you will be able to do this at super speed and with accuracy. So I'm giving you a math challenge, and this time I don't want you to write the sum. I want you to try the sum by doing it mentally in your head. So the math challenge is, let me know what is the answer to 15 times 19 in the comments. I repeat, the math challenge is, I want you to calculate 15 times 9 mentally using this method and type the answer in the comments. I'm sure you liked the video. I'm sure you enjoyed the trick. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any important updates. Cheers. Bye-bye.